think Moscow is one of those cities that you can more or less get everything. Hello guys, today I am with a very special guest on the channel, and that will be Zen. Zen is a creator in Moscow who actually specializes in showing Moscow landscapes and places, so you should check out his channel. Today we'll be working from the Bolshaya Theater. So guys, without further ado, let's just go. Bye. Zen, you were born in Moscow, right?
Yeah, I'm born in Moscow.
Yeah. I just wanted to know, Zen, how long has this theater bro? Do you have any idea?
18th century maybe.
18th century, yeah. Most of the buildings in Moscow are actually very attractive because of the historical events that have gone through in this country.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. So what used to be here in this building, Bear? You remember?
Hotel.
Yeah, I know now there is a hotel. I guess there was some. Oh, it was still a hotel.
Yeah,
Hotel Moskva used to be here, right?
Maybe Moscow. Yeah, I don't remember the name.
Yeah, but okay. This is the Duma, right?
Yeah, government.
During the Soviet Union, was the Duma still operational? Was the Duma still here?
Yeah, I think so, but it was another name.
It was another name, eh?
Yeah.
So Soviet Directorov.
Yeah, yes.
I like the way the Russians always brand their organization. And here is a metro, bibliothèque. Oh, okay. Lenin's library. Lenin's library. Wow, that's nice. So guys, this is the metro of Lenin's library. Wow. And if we go north to my right, that's where you arrive to Arvad, but now we are going right. So this is Bolshaya Dimitrovskaya. Okay. So guys, if you guys have any questions, just drop them below, and I will always like to give you guys the right answers if you do plan to travel in Russia. That's most important. And yeah, it's a bright day. We don't have this very much. Is this the hottest summer, Zen? No?
Yeah, very hot.
One of the hottest, no?
45, it's very hot, very hot.
Almost hot, right? Yeah. Yeah, so Zen's
Always about 25, 40.
okay, 25, that's average. It's pretty hot. The other day was 39 degrees. $39 for Russia. I guess you guys are thinking it's a joke, but that's for real.
And in the city center, it's very hot.
Because of the buildings and
Yeah, like in sound.
oh yeah, I can imagine. It took me a while to steam up my cars because my car was parked in front of on the sun, you know. So this is the back of the Dome.
Huh?
This is the behind the Dome, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And by the street you can go to the Tverskaya.
Okay, yeah, Tverskaya is the other side. So what?
This is small houses, is residential areas.
Oh, residential.
Yeah, in Soviet times where these generals,
You used to live here.
big guys from the government.
They used to live here, right? In this area.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a prestigious area.
Yeah, very good.
Perfect. Wow. I see. I did attend Monte Cristo, a show here, musical theater, yeah.
Yeah,
Anna Karenina, yeah. Musical theater, that's the name, yeah. So there you go. One of the best concerts I've experienced in Russia. It was clearly here. So guys, as I said in my previous video, Tverskaya is like the Champs-Élysées in France, but this is more a very touristic street, the Bolshaya Dimitrovskaya. Due to COVID, you're seeing very few people out here on the street, and that's a reality. But notwithstanding, this is a place you need to come and have a bite when you come to Russia. Just keep the name down, I'll write it below. Bolshaya Dimitrovskaya. Weekend.
Weekend, yeah.
Yeah.
And everybody goes to dacha
Yeah.
outside the city, or now the summer, and people have vacations going to the sea.
Yeah. I have eaten in this place, Tenikan. Very good food, highly recommended, guys. When you visit Russia in winter, you will easily understand why summer for many Russians are like a golden period. In this, what I mean by golden period, I mean it's a period where most take advantage, relax. I mean, you can dress normally without wearing all the furs on your body. Yeah. So most locals take massive advantage. And guess what? There's a lot of construction, changing the pipelines of houses as well. If you guys love the video, man, if you're enjoying what you're seeing, smash the like button. It'll be fun for you guys to share the video to others, those who would love just see Russia, to see the new Russia. So guys, we're walking north to the Pushkin Square, north to Pushkin Square. Pushkin Square metro will pass by the first McDonald's in Russia, and that's exactly what we'll do.
A lot of people stay in line to go inside.
To taste the first burger. Yeah, yeah, I can imagine. Yeah, guys, I saw some videos here on YouTube about how life was back then when the first McDonald's was inaugurated. Yeah, today Moscow have over, I think, over 400 McDonald's, right? It's everywhere. Matters, yeah. And this is just to show this is a fancy street. You got Prada here, Louis Vuitton. You see, this is quite fancy street. So keep the name Bolshaya Dimitrovskaya. Bolshaya Dimitrovskaya. I'm going to write it below. When you're here for your holidays in Moscow, you can just take a walk on the street 2-4 every day. The place is funky. There's different type of vibes as well. Oh, it's bloody hot today. And guys, if you're still watching here, I have checked my community tab. I dropped a question there asking you guys on what type of videos you want to do, so you can vote for them. We have a lot of videos coming, so subscribe for Russian videos. going this summer to the south, to the beach. There is a beautiful beach there. A lot of videos about Russian life. So yeah. So this is where the Procureur General is, I think, right? Yeah, Российский Федерат Procureur, yeah. This is the building of the Procureur General, Chief Law Enforcement Officer in Russia. And that is kind of the Soviet Direktorov. Sadeps, that's where.
Soviet Federation.
Of Russia Federation, no?
Yeah, it's like
No, Senate, tipo.
Congress, Senate. Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, this is where all decisions are made about the Russian Federation. Yeah. Soviet Direktorov. That's mine. And since we're in a walking video, I'll give you guys some information here. Moscow is constructed in circles, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I went to Second Passage.
Me too.
Oh, really? In the weekend?
No, it's middle of the week.
Oh, middle of the week. You okay? Yeah.
Yesterday I came back from Yaroslavl and Rostov.
Oh, is it Rostov? Really?
Yeah.
Okay, perfecto. That's fine. Yeah, when I have free time, I just like, you know, taking people, I mean, relatives, family. We go out and see Russia. So there's another theater. There are a lot of theaters in Russia, and that's a police station. So you can see a lot of police cars. Well, I was talking about theater, coming back to that topic. During the Soviet Union, there were little or no cinema. Кинотеатра не было.
Really?
Было.
Foreign, yeah, it's
It was prohibited, right?
Yeah.
To watch foreign videos.
So we have dark market
Yeah.
and
Hello.
some guys who make foreign films.
Yeah. Okay. So you have Italian restaurants. Who said that there were not enough Italian restaurants in Russia? I think Moscow is one of those cities that you can more or less get everything if you have the money, for sure. So I was talking about what Russians call kinotheaters, cinema halls. They were like deficiency of foreign movies, so the locals more acquainted with their theater, which increased actually the creativity of the Russians. There are many things about Russians which we don't know. I think most of you know about the Russian beautiful girls, the good army in Russia. But there is this fact that Russians are very good poets. So, I mean poet. They're very creative in that aspect. Maybe it's due to the language, the Russian language. Very good poet indeed. Yeah. The creativity in Russia is immense. Yeah, for those of you students who want to study in Russia, there is also, you keep asking me what type of jobs you can do. I know, part-time job. It's a massive, there's a delivery guys. There's a massive increase of demand for delivery guys due to COVID. So most people stay in your office, and also, hello, Daro, in your office, and yeah, in their homes. they actually just make their demands. So you can do that as a part-time job for real. Not sure about how much are the salaries, but I think it's a commission-based job. I luckily spoke to one, which I made a command back at home during the COVID period when we were in lockdown, and they said it was like on an average day they make 50 euros or so. So I think that's not bad money for a student. So you can consider that as well. So we just arrived. This used to be the Pushkin кинотеатр. Это раньше было так. Сейчас уже не один, правильно?
Russia, it's Russia.
So it's now called Russia, правильно? So guys, this used to be called the Pushkin Theater. So when you want to meet somebody, it used to be called the Pushkin Cinema Theater, да? Pushkin. Раньше это называлось так. Но это не всегда так было. Но Пушкинский там написал. Я знаю, что они... I understand that the statue is there.
Yeah, it's statue of Pushkin.
Yeah, but it used to be something related to Pushkin. They changed it.
Maybe.
Yeah, like 4 or 5 years ago.
We have God of Synagogue.
Yeah.
It was called Pushkin Square.
Okay. Anyway, this is a very fancy place. Московский.